everybody, Sami here. This is the Xiaomi's first open wireless earbuds. A super linear sound unit. What the hell is that? Probably just make up. Just quick guide. Okay, or we just put here, right? Type-C cable, a Chinese menu. Oh, we just remove this carefully. Xiaomi logo, this Type-C port here. Okay, open it. Okay, just like that. We have two stickers. Now, when I put it back, you can see the indicator just lights up. It's magnetic. Even let's shake a little bit. It's just attached there firmly. Alright, let's just move to the design of the earbuds. Alright, so here let me just peel off this protector. We have this kind of glossy finish. So, did you see my face? Okay, this area is actually the touch area. And moving on, we have the mic here and charging contacts, and then they have this support part, this curved support part. That's basic design. Definitely looks like this kind of hearing earbuds. So when you open it, you will get a pop-up, and then we connect definitely, right? And it's just connecting the Xiaomi open earbuds. They didn't even have that translated. Okay, down, it says down. The battery just left for each earbuds, and also the case and down. Or if you click in the Bluetooth, you can find more options here, like rename your earbuds or other options. Okay, that's very limited, but you can have many if you just download the app. Let me just show you a little bit. Open it. Alright, so here you can see all the settings here. So gestures, you can set type, left tap, right, double tap, triple tap, press and hold left, blah blah blah. Everything here, like for each earbud you can set individually, like previous sound, like sound volume up, down, take photo. What? What? You can redo that! That's amazing, right? You can even take the photo and tap right, okay, and double tap. You can press next, volume up, down, play pause, triple, the same, and press hold. Okay, you can choose your voice assistant, even press and hold to switch between to select noise cancellation mode. Noise cancellation mode, really? For others, you can have audio effects, adaptive audio or audio balance. Okay, beta features, noise cancellation comfort mode. Okay, find your earphones. Update firmware. Okay, let me just update it. It might take a minute, just a second. Alright, done. Updated successful. What else about device? Okay, there's a menu here, FAQ. Okay, about earphones. Okay, and that's basically all the settings for the Xiaomi earbuds. Now, let's just, wear it. Alright, this is my first time to try this kind of open earbuds. So, actually, I'm very curious about it. So first take out the left or right. So let's try the left. So here you should be like here. You put the support to your earlobe and then adjust the support a little bit until you have the most comfortable position. Okay, so it's kind of like this. So the next one, we just put it here like this. And okay, that's pretty much about it. How you wear it, okay, for this wear for the first time. And then the first thing you may care about is, are these earbuds prone to slipping out easily? Okay, let me try for you. First, let's just shake slightly. Now let me just shake more fiercely. Okay, hold it. So I think if you just use it normally, then it would be okay. But if you shake it fiercely, I think it's falling out like easily than those traditional in-ear earbuds. That's my wearing experience. All right, but I always have this kind of worry that it's going to fall out easy because it's not in your ear. It's like hanging on your ear, right? Hang outside your ear. So when you shake it, like this part always like not sure if you can see it here, like this. Definitely be careful when you engage in intense sports like playing basketball or and one thing I don't like is that the support on each earbud creates constant pressure on the earlobe. I would imagine that wearing them for a long time would cause ear pain. And yet also I found a big problem for those who wearing glasses, alright? I tried that for you and it can be even more pain in the eyes. Really not that great. So for me personally, they definitely don't compare to the wearing experience of many normal earbuds that I've reviewed before, or maybe because I didn't get used to this kind of open earbuds. Now on to the second question, how is the sound leakage? Well, open earbuds are likely to exhibit some degree of sound leakage due to their design, since they don't create a sealed environment in the ear canal like traditional earbuds. Sound can escape more easily. So let me just test for you, alright? Let me play songs and adjust the volume to like a 50%. I will just move further and further, okay? You can, okay, maybe 50 centimeters. Alright, so that is the sound leakage test. What do you think about it? I think it's like, as long as you don't like get too close to it, it's fine, right? It's fine, but that could be noticeable, especially in quiet environments, at higher volumes, and may potentially disturb those nearby. And yeah, so definitely be careful when you talk to other girls in front of your wife, okay, even you with this Xiaomi open earbuds. Okay. Speaking of that, let's just test the call quality. Alright, this is Sami speaking. We are now testing the call quality for the Xiaomi open earbuds. So just let me know if it's good, it's clear, or whatever. Just leave a comment below. That's it. And finally, let's talk about the sound. Let me just play some songs for you.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes.
Alright, that's my first impression of the Xiaomi open earbuds. In conclusion, while I appreciate the sound quality, the ecosystem, customization, and Xiaomi's reputation for earbuds, I have other complaints, okay? And this may not be specifically for Xiaomi, but rather common issues with many earbuds featuring an open design. This is my first experience with such earbuds. Unfortunately, I find them uncomfortable. While they may not cause discomfort in ear canal, they do cause pain in the earlobe. Personally, I use earbuds for immersive listening or noise isolation, but these earbuds don't provide either. While some may argue that they are safer for outdoor use, I believe traditional earbuds can be just as safe with volume adjustment or transparent mode. Overall, these earbuds are not suitable for my preferences. Perhaps they may suit others, but they're not for me. And thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. See you at the next one. And please subscribe if you haven't, alright? Subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one.